Hey, in this video, I will show you exactly how to use the Lamprey in Deep.O. So, Lamprey is the second evolution from Worm. So, you just be Worm, and then you evolve into Lamprey. That's really it. It takes about 10 seconds. It's the first thing you can do in the game. So, it's extremely easy to get to Lamprey. So, if I just hit someone while I'm Lamprey, on the rear end, then I will attach to them. As you can see, I'm attached to this giant Pacific octopus whose name is Mute, and I get a percentage of his food when he eats food. Anyway, I would detach now because he doesn't seem like a good player. But this, for example, if I want to attach to that guy, I'll show you in a second by starting off as Worm. So I select Worm, and then I select Lamprey right after that. So here's how to attach to someone with Lamprey. So this guy wants to eat me, but I will attach to him anyway. Oh, maybe not. Thinks he's tricky, but I'm still going to try to attach to him. Okay, so I'm attached to him, as you can see. As you can see, I'm attached to Iwana Montana. And I get a percentage of his food. So when he eats this piranha, I will get a lot of XP. As you can see, I now have 28.1 XP. So this is the benefit of being a Lamprey. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. That's how to use Lamprey. You can stay on people for as long as you want, unless they go into the air and suffocate you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.